Hello, welcome again. We are solving Engineering Services 3 2018 mechanical paper question number 133, statement 1. In 4-bar chain, whenever all 4 links are used, with each of them forming a turning pair, there will be continuous relative motion between two links of different lengths. Statement 2. For a 4-bar mechanism, the sum of the shortest and longest link length is not greater than the sum of the remaining two links. So options are option A, both statement 1 and statement 2 are individually true, and statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1. Option B, both statement 1 and statement 2 are individually true, but statement 2 is not the correct explanation of statement 1. Option C, statement 1 is true, but statement 2 is false. Option D, statement 1 is false but statement 2 is true. So here first statement is about the crank. There will be continuous relative motion and they have turning pair means it is crank, or we can say it is full rotary motion. So for full rotary motion in 4-bar chain mechanism, this criteria should be satisfied. L plus I should be less than A plus B. L is length of longest link, S is length of shortest link, and A plus B is the length of other two links. So answer is option A. Answer is option A. The, that is both statement 1 and statement 2 are individually true, and the statement 2 is correct explanation of statement 1. So that is about turning pair, and that is the turning pair or complete rotary motion, or we can say it about crank, and that is the condition of uh, condition to have one crank.